Hey everyone, welcome back. Okay, so we're gonna start on 15 today, day 15, and we're doing it in Rust. Okay, the newly focused parabolic reflector dish is sending all the collected light to a point on the side of the yet another mountain, largest mountain on Lava Island. As you approach the mountain, excuse me. As you approach the mountain, you find that the light is being collected by the wall of a large facility embedded in the mountainside. You find a door under a large sign that says Lava Production Facility, and next to a smaller sign that says Danger, Personal Protective Equipment required beyond this point. As you step inside, you are immediately greeted by a somewhat panicked reindeer wearing goggles and loose-fitting hard hat. The reindeer leads you to a shelf of goggles and hard hats. You quickly find some that fit, and then further into the facility. At one point, you pass a button with a faint snout mark and the label Push for Help. No wonder you were loaded into that trebuchet so quickly. You pass through a final set of doors surrounded by even more warning signs and into what must be the room that collects all the light from outside. As you admire the large assortment of lenses available to further focus the light, the reindeer brings you a book entitled Initialization Manual. Hello, the book cheerfully begins, apparently unaware of the concerned reindeer reading over your shoulder. This procedure will let you bring the lava production facility online, all without burning or melting anything unintended. Before you begin, please be prepared to use the Holiday ASCII string helper algorithm. Hash. Hash algorithm. Appendix 1A. You turn to Appendix 1A. The reindeer leans closer with interest. The hash algorithm is a way to turn any string of characters into a single number in the range 0 to 255. To run the hash algorithm on a string, start with the current value of 0, then for each character in the string, starting from the beginning. Okay, so these are the steps. Determine the ASCII code for the current character of the string. Increase the current value by the ASCII code you just determined. Set the current value to itself, multiplied by 17. Set the current value to the remainder of dividing itself by 256. After following these steps for each character in the string in order, the current value is the output of the hash algorithm. So to find the result of running the hash on the string hash, the current value starts at 0, first character is h, which is 72, current value increases to 2 multiplied by 17 becomes 200. The remainder of 1224 divided by 256. Okay, you just do that until you get to the end. So if you get the word hash, it becomes 52. Okay, the initialization sequence, your puzzle import, is a comma separated list of steps to start the lava production facility. Ignore new line characters when passing the initial sequence. To verify that your hash algorithm is working, the book offers the sum of the result of running the hash algorithm on each step in the sequence. For example, this initialization sequence specifies 11 individual steps. The result of running the hash algorithm on each step is as follows. Okay, and then you sum. Fortune to reindeer still on the page containing the expected verification number and is currently running around the facility that is with it excitedly. Run the hash algorithm on each step in the initialization sequence. What is the sum of the results? The initialization sequence is one long line. Be careful when copying. Okay, let's start with okay. So make a 50. Okay. This is just our skeleton. Oops. 15 and name in test 1 3 No, we've succeeded when we get 1, 3, 20. Okay. See input. Oh. Copy, paste, use that for our main. What? And we paint one here. Array. Okay, let me test it out. Okay, we 15. Fail. Yep. Okay. Okay, we push up our code and we're ready to get started. So, okay, so we have steps of this is the instruction sequence, and the steps are strings. I'm gonna have a spec of string. Class will be super simple. It'll just not read lines, we'll read full. What? Okay, that's gonna get the full string, and we're just gonna map over it. Split on comma, and unwrap it. Like that. Yep. Oh, collect. Maybe. Read. String. Okay, so split it. Get I'm not sure how to convert it to strings. Let's have a look. Okay, I have a string in Rust. I want to split it on comma and end up with a vec string, not a spec str. Okay. We have to map it. Split it, map it. Map. And then we collect. Okay. So that's going to convert it from a string's reference to a string to a own string. Collect it. Okay. Now we're going to hash it. Be pretty easy actually. And loop through the steps. And we're going to run a function on each one. Actually, we can do fold. Always forget how to do this. I think it's initializer, which will be 0. Then we pass accumulator and item. Yeah, like that. And then we return item get hash ACC plus item get. And we just need to implement get hash on that string. So if we go impl string, not sure if we can do that. Okay, there's we extension track. Okay, we'll do it a different way. Just do function get hash, takes a reference to string, and return an I64. That, and then we call get hash Norton. Okay, which says we need to do it like that. Okay, and then for each item, so item.jars dot, okay, we're going to get a vector, we're going to fold that. I'm going to start with 0. Then we have our accumulator. We're going to have our that. We're going to have something in here. So now we need to look at the algorithm again. This. Okay. So we determine the ASCII code for the current code of the string. We go to ASCII. Okay, let's check again how we get the ASCII. How do I get the ASCII value of a character in Rust? A digit 10. Okay, so we just go as you wait. As you wait. We get accumulator plus current value plus that. Set the current value to itself, multiply, set the current value to itself, 17. Set the current value to the remainder of itself, 256. That's right. And later. Okay, let's go let result equals accumulator plus as you wait, and then we get result 17. Then we result mod 256 ends up being the accumulator. What returned? I think that's going to be it. Yep. That's it. Get the correct result. Okay, so let's see if that works with the real input. Get up input. Whoa. See that? Paste. Close. Overrun. Okay, 516469 is output. 516469. 51669. Submit. Hey, we got the right answer. Okay. Let's save that. Git commit completed day 15 part 1. we go. Okay, I'll catch you guys on the next one.